Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
Resetting your Zorin OS password is a simple process if you get locked out of your account. First, you need to restart your computer completely. As the system boots up, press and hold the Shift key or tap the Escape key repeatedly. This action opens the Grub Boot menu on your screen. Use your arrow keys to highlight the advanced options for Zorin entry and press Enter. Next, look for a line that ends with Recovery Mode and select it. Wait for the recovery menu to appear. Scroll down to the option labeled Root and press Enter twice. This opens a command line at the bottom of the screen. You must now make the system files editable. Type mount, space, -o, space, remount, comma, rw, space, /, and then hit Enter. Now you can set the new password. Type password followed by your specific username and press Enter. The system will ask you to type a new password. You will not see any characters as you type for security reasons. Type it again to confirm and press Enter. You should see a message saying the password updated successfully. Finally, type Reboot and hit Enter to restart your machine. Your computer will now load the login screen as usual. Use your brand new password to sign in to your desktop. This method works on most versions of Zorin OS and helps you regain access quickly. It is a vital tool for any user who forgets their login credentials. Now you can get back to using your computer without losing any of your important files or settings.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.